new bird coming out. I hope it's like a green tail. See, like that. Yeah, but yeah, and I hope it's a female. Peacock. Some birds are male. That will not even work. If we want to meet this bird, we're gonna have to grind forever. If you guys do that, I'm gonna go collect some shiny coins. Yeah, but guys, here's the real question. Why are there eggs on the tree? I want to get one. Hoot, I'll go get you one. Oh. Let me try to climb this tree. Whoa, thanks, Owl. Wait, there's a real egg on the floor. It's hatching. Fellow birds, I'm the grouse. Whoa, nice to meet you, grouse. Whoa, you look very cool. What are those two things on your chest? I think they're just for display, like how my tail feathers look like this. They're not even working. Maybe they're broken. Like and subscribe for more bird videos. Happy April, everyone. It's Easter egg.